Hi guys, this is Gurleen from Endeavour Study Center. Today I am here with another interesting video. But before starting, I would like to share with you guys that if you need help with your PT, NATI or IELTS, you can contact us on the given number or using our website. You can also visit our office from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Now let's move on to today's topic. As most of the students struggle in reading module, I'll discuss 5 most common mistakes that we can avoid in IELTS reading. So trying to read every single word is the very first mistake that we do. Sure, it's essential to read the text, but in a time that's available, it's not always possible to read and understand every single word in a sentence. So how can you avoid that? Well, you can avoid this mistake by learning a simple technique of skimming and scanning the text. Your aim should be to skim the text for meaning and then scan it for the answers that you need. Try to understand the main ideas in the article, and if you don't get a particular word or phrase, just move on. The second mistake is that we try to find an answer without understanding the question properly. Under the time pressure in reading, we don't spend enough time on reading the question. Instead, we try to spend most of our time in reading the passages. Eventually, we fail to link the text with the question properly and end up writing the wrong answers. Although you can't take too long when taking the reading test, being slow and steady and taking a little extra time to read the question properly will pay off in the long run. Giving two answers is another common mistake that students make when they are unsure about an answer. In reading, it is possible to get confused between two answers. When people are not certain of the answer, they try to write in two options. Since there are no half marks in IELTS, it has to be marked as wrong. So don't waste those valuable points. Mistake number 4 is not transferring your answers to an answer sheet. It's a great idea to take notes of the question paper as you are reading through the text, but just make sure that you transfer your answers to the answer sheet because nobody will see your question paper. Last but not the least, don't assume anything when you are solving your reading. All the answers to the IELTS reading questions are found in the given text. Don't assume anything based on your knowledge or experience. For example, if the test question is, smoking is dangerous and can lead to cancer, is this true, false or not given? If the reference text says, no research showed evidence that smoking is dangerous and leads to cancer, then the answer must be false even if that sounds crazy to you. Yeah, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys find it informative. Don't forget to like, share and comment. I'll see you guys super soon in the next video with some more interesting topics. Till then, bye bye, take care.